Today we're setting up Telnet and connecting to a bulletin board system. A bulletin board system, or BBS, is a computer server running software that allows users to connect to the system using a Telnet program. Once logged in, the user can perform functions such as uploading and downloading software and data, reading news and bulletins, and exchanging messages with other users through email, public message boards, and sometimes via direct chatting. Many BBSs also offer online games in which users can compete with each other. Bulletin board systems were in many ways a precursor to the modern form of the World Wide Web, social networks, and other aspects of the Internet. For this exercise, I have selected a program suite called MTCP. MTCP is a set of TCP/IP applications for personal computers running PC-DOS, MS-DOS, FreeDOS, and other flavors of DOS. The download link will be in the description. I have already downloaded the package, decompressed it, and have the files in the apps directory ready to go. As a quick note, I have started the computer with the networking options we created in our config.sys file from a previous episode. A card should appear momentarily linking to that video. We will need internet connectivity to start using Telnet. To get started, we will enter Telnet at the prompt, followed by the bulletin board we want to connect to. We have to register for the BBS before we can start using it. In this case, I have registered, so I can sign in. For this BBS, we are greeted with the user bulletins. If you don't want to post anything, we can press Q to go to the next bulletin. Next, we have the system bulletins. If none of these topics interest you, you may press Q. Now we are at the main menu for the BBS. The key features in a BBS are bulletins, of course, files that are available to download, and door games. This BBS doesn't have any files available in our area, but we do have some door games which we can access by pressing D. These are text-based games that you can play while connected to the BBS. They are generally multi-user, so you'll be playing with other BBS users. Lunatics, for example, has you assume the role of a patient at an asylum. The goal is to escape. Now we know what a BBS is and how to connect to one, but how do you find a BBS to connect to? For that, we'll have to switch to a browser and be right back. We are back here at telnetbbsguide.com. This is a listing that has hundreds of bulletin board systems available, and this number is growing. To see the list, we can select from the BBS lists up here at the top of the page, and then you choose the list type that you would like. I prefer the detailed listing. At the top, we have some basic sorting and filtering options for the BBS list. Then we have the list itself. If the BBS has Telnet available, the URL will be listed here. That's what we can enter into the command prompt. And once we are connected, we would be prompted to log in. If the username is not found, you'll be prompted to register. That concludes our look at bulletin board systems.